Hello all and welcome, a warm welcome to our newest course, Advanced Data Analytics for Real Estate Financial Modeling in Excel. My name is Sonia Martin. I am the CEO at Bayfield Training. I am absolutely thrilled to launch this innovative and timely program. Over the last few months, we've been working on the content of this course. It's a natural progression from our real estate financial modeling courses in Excel. It has been designed to advance and enhance your skills to the next level. The course integrates Excel, Python, and artificial intelligence. So we are going to introduce you gradually into Python, and we will show you how you can use the software to enhance your models, especially when you are dealing with large and complex data sets. Okay. Also, we understand the growing importance of artificial intelligence in our industry. So on this course, we have practical guidance of how you can implement artificial intelligence in your model process. So helping you to have improve the accuracy of your inputs and of course your outputs. The course is on demand, so you will have access to the full content from day one. We recommend you to do one module per week, but of course do it at your own pace. Make sure you understand a module before you go into the next one. And for that also we have some support. We have set up some webinars. You can access these webinars. You can join us. They are live webinars through the 12 months periods of access that you have for the course, and you can ask any questions you might have related to the content. There is an induction area, an important area just to understand how the course is structured. Please take a few minutes to go through the handbook to understand what is in there. Last but not least, we have the community forum. This is an important area for on-demand courses, and it'd be good if you introduce yourself into the community forum. Tell us who you are, what you like to do, and why you are on the course. And I think it's good for everybody, so you can connect with your peers. And I think that's it. Thank you very much for listening. Again, a warm welcome. It's a new course. If you have any questions or you want to give us any feedback, it's always welcome. We always want to improve our courses, so do please reach out. So again, thank you for booking on the course and welcome.